Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize and edit the header in Shopify. So all you need to do, once you're logged in, go to this list panel and click on your online store. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on the themes page. Here, all you need to do, just go and click on edit theme or customize. So once you do so, you'll find yourself right here. As you can see on the list panel, we have here this header. And from here, you have some elements that's already added by default by your theme. So of course, you'll be able to click on this eye icon to see how does it look like without that, to see if you want it to stay as an example in your header or not. As you can see, we have that as well. To add other sections, click on add section, and you'll be able to add a lot of sections. You can add a custom liquid or announcement bars, and if you have something that can be added by your apps, you'll find it on the apps section. Other than that, on the list panel again, you can click on the theme settings. Here, you'll be able to edit other stuff, like add in a logo. If you want, you can add a logo. You can add also a favicon. If you don't know what a favicon is, it's basically that icon at your tab. You'll find an icon on the left of the tab. This icon called favicon. So the logo is something and the favicon is another thing. Let me just go here as an example, and let's just go and upload something like this one. Let's just say this is our logo. So let's just wait for it until it's uploaded, and I'm going to add it to this website. I'm done. And normally, as you can see, the logo is added to the header. So you have here other things that can be edited, but it will not affect only the header. Like maybe the colors, maybe the typography. So for the typography, as example, you can change it. It might change the header with other things as well. So you have a lot of things here to go through and to check. Because if you want to edit something, you'll have to go right into it. I cannot tell you like to go specifically to something to edit because it's totally up to you.